Good morning, my friends, and welcome back to the Watch Wendigo YouTube channel. Today, I have an interesting package from Tuya Knives. So, in this package is another knife created by a content creator. And when I discovered the design, it had a lot of things that spoke to me, so I decided to go ahead and give it an order and see what it's all about. The unboxing knife for today is going to be the Artisan Wizard that we just finished shipwrecking. I still really like that sand polished blade. Still find it very attractive. Alright, let's go ahead and get this package open. So, there we go. There's the box. Pretty sure this is my first time ordering anything directly from, well, actually I know it's my first time ordering anything directly from Tuya, but I have heard very good things, so when I found this design, I was excited to see what it's about. It's blade shape that I like, grind that I like, and one of my favorite steels. So, let's get this guy open. What is that? I don't know what that is because I'm almost positive that that will not fit in there. Oh, maybe it will. Well, I guess we'll have to find out. But it is a pretty nice little leather pouch. There we go. There's the knife. This is the Be Seaxy, designed by, I believe, I'm probably going to slaughter the pronunciation of this. Brian Edmonton, I believe is his name. He runs the BEDC YouTube channel, and you guys should go check him out. Oh, that silver twill is really attractive. I don't know if the camera is doing that justice. The silver twill is the version of the RR station that I originally wanted, and I accidentally ordered the stone milled version, which was fine. I ended up liking the stone milled version as well, but I wanted to see this silver twill carbon fiber, and yeah, it's very pretty. It's got a good detent on there. Carbon fiber feels good in the hand. Serialized pocket clip. I personally really like serialized knives. Is that a front flipper? That is a front flipper. Let's see if I can get it. Hang on just a second, guys. Sorry, I left my door open and my dog just barged in. Sorry about that. She's a super excitable little pup. Well, I guess she's not a pup anymore, but she's still very excitable. Good centering. Let's try the reverse flick. Oh yeah, the reverse flick feels really nice. Oh, I just noticed that. That jimping. Yeah, good texture, and I like the way it runs all the way up to the little poon of the back of on the back of the blade, and this elongated sack shape is something that I really enjoy. There is BEDC's logo. Let's see, there we go. Yep, there's the logo. And I believe, yeah, that's a belt satin finish that looks pretty dang good. Yeah, the action's good. Let's see, how are the acoustics? Yeah, pretty good. Sorry, I smacked my light with the back of my watch when I tried to open that knife. Yeah, the acoustics are pretty good. Detent is actually slightly lighter than I initially thought it was, but it's fine, it still works. And the jimping is awesome. I really like that jimping. Did a good job on that. Let's see if you can utilize that fuller for a reverse flick. Oh yeah, actually the fuller works really great for that. Okay, I believe the liners and the backspacer and pocket clip are all titanium, and then we have the silver twill carbon fiber and the S90V blade. Action is smooth, but slightly on the tight side. But I believe that that'll work in. It's, like I said, it's brand new. You just watched me open it. And this guy is really light, but I've been carrying this copper wizard for the last few days. And obviously, because the handle scales are copper, its weight is somewhat substantial. Access to the lock bar is pretty good. Actually, I think I like using the fuller better than the opening hole. Placement of the opening, or well, access to the opening hole isn't phenomenal for the thumb flick, but it's adequate. Definitely getting better at operating the front flippers. So, alright guys, this was just a quick unboxing today. This was something I was relatively excited about and I wanted to share with you guys. This is going to go straight into my pocket, and eventually we will get a full review done on it for you guys. I have a feeling though that I am going to really enjoy this. Before I sign off for the day, let's go ahead and test that edge. I almost forgot. Let's see how that factory edge is. Oh. It will S-cut, but just barely. So the factory edge is pretty good. It's not phenomenal. Definitely had knives come in sharper, but it's definitely good. Better than several that I've had come in the past. So, there we go. That is the Tuya Be Seaxy, designed by BEDC. I am excited to get this in the pocket and bring you guys a full-length review. Thank you for your time this morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wendigo, signing off.